When will alpha-synuclein aggregation inhibitors be available to the public? When it comes to alpha-synuclein aggregation inhibitors, many people are curious about when these potential treatments for Parkinson's disease will be available to the public. Alpha-synuclein is a protein that can clump together in the brains of individuals with Parkinson's disease, contributing to neurodegeneration. Researchers are actively exploring ways to inhibit this aggregation, which could modify the disease's progression. However, it's important to understand that these treatments are still in the experimental stages. Currently, several promising alpha-synuclein aggregation inhibitors are undergoing clinical trials. For instance, ATH-434, developed by Alterity Therapeutics, is an iron chelator that targets alpha-synuclein. It has completed a phase 2 clinical trial for multiple systems atrophy, a related neurodegenerative disorder, and may soon be tested in Parkinson's disease. The results from the multiple systems atrophy trial are expected in early 2025, which could provide valuable insights for future Parkinson's studies. Another candidate is MT101, an herbal-based small molecule inhibitor developed by Mthera Pharma. This compound has completed phase 1 trials and is gearing up for phase 2 testing. It has shown neuroprotective potential in preclinical models of Parkinson's disease, which is encouraging. Biogen is also conducting a phase 2 trial of an anti-alpha-synuclein antibody as part of the SPARK study in Parkinson's patients. This trial is currently paused to analyze safety and dosing data, but it is expected to resume soon. Additionally, AstraZeneca and Takeda are testing alpha-synuclein antibodies in early phase trials. Despite these advancements, it is crucial to note that no alpha-synuclein aggregation inhibitor has yet completed the full regulatory approval process necessary for public use. The timeline for availability largely depends on the outcomes of ongoing trials, which must demonstrate safety and efficacy before receiving regulatory review and approval. This entire process typically takes several years. Based on the current progress of these trials, it is unlikely that alpha-synuclein aggregation inhibitors will be widely available to the public before the late 2020s. While early results from trials expected in 2025 may help accelerate development, further confirmatory studies will be needed. In conclusion, while alpha-synuclein aggregation inhibitors representing a hopeful future direction for treating Parkinson's disease, they remain investigational at this time. Patients and caregivers should continue to relying on approved treatments and consult healthcare professionals for management. It is also important to stay updated on scientific advancements regarding these emerging therapies.